This 5-minute solution will show you how to change password on Amazon app on iPhone. Changing password or updating password for Amazon account from iPhone is pretty easy and quick steps. First of all, launch the Amazon app. Tap on account icon. Tap on your account. Under account settings, tap on login and security. You will get the password edit option. So tap on edit. And then enter here your current password and write your new password. Tap on save changes and your password will be updated. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.